We are the Monday Night Club's Saturday Kitchen.
We've been preparing some amazing recipes for you to try at home. We've got breakfast, lunch and dinner covered. We're ready with an excellent chef cook for pre-day.
In a lot of the recipe, you also get some fantastic professional tips.
These wonderful healthy recipes include
Vegetable soup, rainbow slaw and lamb koftas, healthy porridge,
roasted vegetable couscous,
overnight oats, tuna salad, chicken and sweet potato curry,
chicken fajitas and guacamole and tomato sauce,
scrambled egg on toast with mushrooms, healthy beans.
The aim of the Saturday Kitchen project was to try and find a scalable solution to a scalable problem. Now, healthy eating, as we all know, is important for everyone, but the Monday Night Club has highlighted just how important it is for learning disabled adults. And that was where the Saturday Kitchen app really started. We wanted to find a way of making healthy, nutritious recipes accessible and engaging to learning disabled adults. The way Saturday Kitchen app is different is that it breaks recipes down into individual steps. You can just go at your own speed, and you only move forward when you've completed the step that you're on. The process of creating this app has involved having members of the Saturday Kitchen over the course of a year go and have cooking lessons from professional chefs, work with film crews that have filmed chefs like Jamie Oliver, teaching them techniques that we then captured, and we've built those into the app so that anyone with an internet connection can access this.
Fingers, tip of the fingers back, and the knife touches the knuckles.
Hello, I'm Poppy. I made the chicken fajitas with felice. I learned how to chop up onion very safely. It was really interesting and I enjoyed all of it.
C&T is all about partnership working. We love collaborating with other organisations, which is why working with the Monday Night Club has been such a gift on this project. Now, at the core of C&T's work is our digital platform called Prospero, which allows us to create interactive learning experiences that can benefit a whole range of different people. Prospero is perfect for this kind of a project with the Monday Night Club because it's all about practical learning. It's not about sitting staring at a screen, it's about teaching practical skills to people that can make a difference in their real life.
I'm a carer for adults with learning disabilities for over 25 years now. To me, it's a privilege to do what I do. And I'm not a chef, a cook. I'm not, but if I've got like sort of easy guide, easy steps, user-friendly information in front of me, that really gives me the drive and inspiration to, create a healthy meal. It's a new creation, isn't it? Nobody's done it before, right? Yeah. So that's perfect, because you've seen it grow and blossom from the ideas on paperwork to sort of the end result. It's a lot in between, but yeah, they've had an input and they've really thrived from that and enjoyed it immensely, like carers have as well. It's going to benefit many people.
I think we live in a world where a lot of people don't know about nutrition, they don't know how to look after themselves. I think it's important because being able to cook here, it's easy because we're in this space, we can help, there's lots of volunteers, but when you're at home on your own, sometimes it can be a little bit daunting as to where to start. Having this kind of step-by-step slower process means that everyone can work at their own pace. No one's kind of overwhelmed to try something that they've not done before. Probably dinner, there's more technical skills maybe when cooking dinner that people might not be as confident with, using knives, using the hobs and things like that. But hopefully this will break it down so it's really manageable for everyone to be able to do.
Okay. But fingers back. Okay.
Always have your fingers back.
Fresh food is everything. You cut out all the sugars, salts and all sorts of nasty things, additives. You've got to eat fresh food, there's no two way about it. It doesn't cost an arm and a leg to do, and you can chop and change within.
In the raisins, so I'm going to put a couple of those as well inside it. How about you?
Blended fruit.
Working with adults with learning disabilities, it was obvious to me that they don't eat very well generally. They eat something quick that will make them full quickly, often a packet of biscuits or something. They don't understand the nutrition and the value of different foods. People talk to them and say less carbs, they don't really know what that means. So I thought, well, we just need to start a cooking club and show them what eating healthy food is like practically in real life. And I can only reach maybe 20 people doing it this way in person. And if we can make a friendly, accessible app that is easy to use, easy to follow, we could reach many, many hundreds, maybe thousands of people.
Saturday Kitchen was a fantastic project to work with, and all the people that we work with were incredibly willing and going out of their way. It was unbelievable fun.
When you think of the venues for adults with learning disabilities, there's so many care homes and day centres that would benefit. Yeah, that was, you just go in and show them and that's it. You just press a few buttons and you're off.
I would say it's a great experience to learn cooking skills and to make friends as well.
Well, they absolutely loved it. Absolutely wonderful. I was shocked at how good they were.
Saturday Kitchen,